Good morning, class 4. Children, I hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself. Today also we shall continue with lesson number 2. I am on page number 26 and we were discussing about the various accessories. Okay, we were discussing about the uses of different accessories. We discussed about calculator, command prompt, network projector. Okay, and now we shall continue with accessories, few more of them. Let's see. Getting started. I'm on page number 26. Getting started is the accessory to learn and start using various features of Windows 7. So it is accessory which is like information general, we can say that it is providing us with the various how to start and how to make use of the various features of Windows 7. So its screen is almost like this. Okay, now maths input panel is used to enter formula and mathematical inputs. So here we can this is like the math input panel, and here we can enter the formulas and mathematical inputs, whatever that we want to do with the formula and various inputs. Okay, now notepad is often used to create and edit text files using basic text formatting. So as I told you that these accessories do not contain many options, but there are options there. So like in this case we can see that it is used for creating and editing various text files, where we can do the basic text formatting. Okay, like in MS Word we can do lot of formatting, but here we cannot do such type of formatting, but little bit of formatting we can do. Next accessory is Paint. This software is used to create and edit drawings. So this accessory, you are aware of it, and I am sure you must have used it also. This is used for creating and editing drawings. Okay, so here we can draw, and also we can do many things with our drawing. We can color it, or we can change it, or we can make various uses of that. Okay, now next is remote desktop connection. So this accessory looks like this. It is used to connect one computer to another computer at some other places to access files or folders. So as the name suggests, that it is used for connecting the desktops which are remotely placed, which are placed in the far off places. It is used for connecting two computers, so that we can share the same files and folders using this accessory. Okay, now run. Run is used to open a program, document, folder, or a website with keyboard. So instead of using mouse, we can use this accessory for opening any program, document, folder, or the website with the help of the keyboard. So this accessory looks like this. Now, a snipping tool is used to capture a portion of a screen in order to save or share an image. So it is used for creating it is used for capturing a portion of the screen. We can capture a portion of the screen, and also we can save it and we can share it. Okay, so it is used for this purpose. And then the sound recorder. This tool is used to record sound and save it on the computer. Means we can save the sound, we can record the sound, and then we can save it on the computer. Now sticky notes is used to create short handwritten or text based notes. So sticky notes are used for creating short notes, or it can be text based or it can be handwritten, and we can place it so that we don't forget important things. It is almost like the sticky notes that we use during our studies, or even your parents might be using, so that they do not forget important things. Sync center. Sync center sync files between a computer and network folder. So why it is used? It is used for syncing the files between a computer and the network folder. Okay, suppose suppose 10 people are there in the network, and 5 of them have created another file, so they will store the files in some folders where the other people can share, and then the syncing can be done so that other people also have that file. Now, Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is used to display files or folders on a computer. Means we can see the files and the folders which are there in the computer using Windows Explorer. We can go to different disk drives. We can see the file there. We can change their places, or we can find out where they are stored. Okay, so basically for navigating in the computer system we use this accessory. Okay, so today we will do till here. Please revise all these. Okay, and now we shall meet next week. Bye bye, take care.